Hey, what's up, y'all? Give me 1 second. I'm trying to get everybody on. Hey, give me a few seconds, y'all. Please share this link. I had to change the link. Please share this. Tag at least 2 of y'all friends, please. Help you boys. I help y'all tag 2 people so we can get people up in here real quick. I'ma show y'all the game plan. I'ma show y'all what led us up to here, and we gonna get up out of here with a good trade setup. So tag 2 friends. Everybody on here, tag 2 friends for your boy. Like this video as you coming in. Let me send out the word real quick. Hey, tag 2 friends, baby. Let's go.
We getting paid, huh? Stacking that money from the trades, huh? I really do this, I really trade, bro. Hit the markets for $1 million, then I'm laying low. Like a pro, yeah, I'm trading like a pro. Like a pro, taking profit like a pro.
Like a pro, time to let them know. Bank on the phone, no, I don't need a loan, cause I'm trading like a pro.
We getting paid, huh? Stacking that money from the trades, huh?
We getting paid, now. Stacking that money, I'ma teach you how to trade like
I'ma
a
teach you how to trade, set and forget it. Baby, go handle your business, get off the charts, why you be tripping? Maybe you would get paid if you came, sat and listen. But they be on my page, still broke and be dissing. I don't get it, I got a bank to break. You already know, I went to London, now it's time to hit up Tokyo. Or maybe fly to Mexico, that peso it be hitting. When I find a higher low, that Fibonacci got me litty. Now I'm back up in the city, yeah, teaching you the game. I lace the people up, get the bag, not the fame. Yeah, they say I chase the fortune, I just pray the double portion. Better put your time in, backtest it, that's important. When they see you making money, they hate and try to extort you. Scammers be in the group, get it too, watch me poach them. Acting like they be me on IG, I don't know them. And they can't tear down my name, cause I really changed the game. Like a pro, yeah, I'm trading like a pro. Like a pro, taking profit like a pro.
Like a pro, time to let them know. Bank on the phone, no, I don't need a loan, cause I'm trading like a pro.
We getting paid, huh? Stacking that money from the trades, huh?
We getting paid, now. Stacking that money, I'ma teach you how to trade
like a pro, yeah, I'm trading like a pro. Like a pro, taking profit like a pro.
Like a pro, time to let them know. Bank on the phone, no, I don't need a loan, cause I'm trading like a pro.
We getting paid, huh? Stacking that money from the trades, huh?
We getting paid, now. Stacking that money, I'ma teach you how to trade like a pro.
Hey, what's up, y'all? Hey, like this video as y'all coming in real quick. About 200 of us real quick. Like this video. We in the building, all right? Like a pro. Let's see here. All right, y'all, it's about 200 of us. Like this video so YouTube can push us out here real quick so we can get the word out, because we got to help as many people as we can. All right, so how everybody doing though? Let me see. It's been a minute since I've been on here. Let's get that straight real quick. It's been a minute since I've been on here. Let me settle down, man. Let me take a sip right quick. It's been a minute. Talk to your boy. Let me see. Hey, shout out to Tricks and Knowledge. Hey, look, I got the remix to trade like a pro. It is absolutely fire. Hey, Luke said Jay been on injured reserve. Hey, I've been on, yeah. I'm telling you, look, I was in the bed for 20 I want to say 19, 20 hours a day. I was laying down in the bed. I had to get up because my back was hurting. My upper back was hurting. And I had to get up and at least, you know what I'm saying, go to the refrigerator, try to grab something to eat just so I won't get weak. And it would hurt me to go to the kitchen. It would hurt me to go make some food. It would just hurt my lower back. So I would go back and lay down. And I did that for like 2-3 weeks. It is nothing to play with. You will never catch me with another basketball in my hand. You're going to catch me with a golf club in my hand. Yes, sir. Hey, what's up, y'all? Key Rich, what's good? So Key Rich said, where can she get the song? Go to go anywhere. Go let me see. You can go to Spotify, stream it. You can go to what is it called? Apple, the Apple store. You can go to the Google store and you can just look up Trade Like a Pro, Jay Wayne. All right. So let me see. I got you right quick. Hold on. Trade music. Here you go, right here. So I just posted into the comments. All right. So let me post it in the comments right quick. Trade Like a Pro. All right. Let me see if this will work right quick. Oh man, that's too many words. Hold on. Right here. This should do it. There you go. All right, so look at that. Go look in the comments, and I posted down in the comment section how to get Trade Like a Pro. Support the movement. I do it for fun. You know, that's why I'm not charging $1.25. It's back in like in the old days when y'all used to download music, 99 cents, because it's just for fun, but it's really good quality music, and it's just for the trading community. It's for us, because sometimes we have down moments when we're trading. Sometimes we get into a losing rut. We start losing and we get kind of down on ourselves. We feel like we can't do it. And I hope that I can encourage you, along with my knowledge about trading, my YouTube videos. I hope that I can encourage you through the music. So they try to box me and they say, man, just stick to trading. I'm like, bro, I was doing music before I started trading, and I was doing Christian rap. I stopped and I focused on trading, and because I didn't want to chase that life anymore. But the music is still in me, you know. Am I the best to ever do it? I'm not saying that. All I'm saying is that I enjoy it. I'm pretty good at it. So, you know, I give it to my trading community. Shout out to Terrence J. Thank you, bro. Detroit in the building. What's good, bro? All right, so look, 240 people watching and only 100. Look, Terry, hey, shout out to Terry, bro. This guy, he said 240 people watching, only 111 only liked the video. Really? Come on, y'all. Like the video. Like the video as we coming up in here. All right. All right, cool. So, all right, let's get to it. All right. We ain't going to be on here for 3 hours. We're not going to be on here for an hour. Let's get to the money. You know, get a game plan going, and let's get up out of here. All right. So, all right, let's talk about it. So, did anybody catch the moves on GBP pairs, GBPUSD, Gbpjpy? Comment. I'm reading the comments right here. Okay. I'm talking about the sell or the buy that happened yesterday. Did anybody catch that move yesterday? Comment below. All right, so they say Key Rich said, no, I missed it. Edmund, shout out to Edmund. He said he caught it. Let's go. I caught GJ early last night. Yep. All right. So look, check this out. Check this out. So let me pull up something right quick. I'm getting back in my zone. Your boy's back in the lab in the zone. It feels good to be back with my people. Trey, make that money. All right, so check this out. 157665 was my entry. 157665 was my entry. 157665. That was my entry. 157665. That was my entry on the 15-minute. Okay. So it would have looked like this. So, all right, so let's talk about it. All right. I was in the other vid, laugh out loud. Okay, love Gbpjpy. So here's the thing. I actually don't like Gbpjpy. For me, the spread is too high. You know what? In the grand scheme of things, the spread isn't really that high because it's only like 2 pips. But I'm so spoiled by Gbpusd. I'm so spoiled by Gbpusd with like, it's not even 1 pip for me with the broker that I use. It's not even 1 pip. It's like 0.9. It's 0.9, 0.8. So I be getting profit quick. Gbpjpy is like 2 pips. You know what I mean? Which is normal. You know what I mean? I didn't seen like Owanda. Gbpusd for Owanda is like 1 pip. That's pretty good. JPY be like 3 pips. 3.5 pips for during London session. So I was like, nah, skip them. But I like what I use. I use LQDFX. What's her name? Key Rich. That's who I use. So one second. Yeah, that's who I use. So all right, so look. So I'm so spoiled by Gbpusd that when I see 2 pips spread, I'm like, whoa, that's too much. But it's really not. It's not a lot. So this is my entry, okay? We're going to talk about Gbpusd, Gbpjpy, because I feel like those are going to be great moves that's happening come London session. All right? This was my entry. Now, I did not enter on this red candle, okay? All right? I did not enter at this red candle. What I did was I waited for a retest. Y'all know, if y'all know me, if y'all been in my trend trading academy, if y'all know me, y'all know I'm a breakout trader. But I did not take the breakout. 1 second, y'all. Hold on. Yeah, I did not take the breakout. So let me show y'all the chart right quick. Hold on. I thought I was sharing my chart. Hold on. All right, my bad, y'all. I thought I was sharing the chart. Yeah, I thought TB Sydney. I thought I was sharing my chart. I'm notorious for just talking about, yeah, I did this. Look at this, and I'm like, bro, I'm not even sharing the chart the whole time. But look, this is where I entered the trade at, right here. That was my entry. All right. I did not enter off of this candle because for me, that's too risky for me because we're in a buyer's market, right? We're obviously above this 50 right here. And y'all know how I trade. Watch my 50 moving average video. So this is going going to possibly run into this 50 moving average and come back up. All right, so that may happen. I did not want to run the risk of that happening to me. So I did not take that sell when it happened like that. I waited for the pullback. All right. So let's go to the 4-hour chart. Okay. So that's what that looked like on the 4-hour chart. Y'all see what I'm saying? I didn't take that. So what I did was I wanted the price to come back into this structure. I'm so cold with it. Hey, when I was hurt, you know, I hurt my lower back. I was rusty when I came back to trading. I think I lost a few trades. It was like little trades. I didn't want to risk a whole lot because I knew I was just coming back into trading. I needed to get my timing right. I didn't lose my knowledge, but my timing of my entries were off. So I was in drawdown like most of the time on most of my trades, just to make a little profit or break even because my timing was just so bad. Then I took a few days off. I went back to back testing my strategy and timing my entries. And now my entries are on point because I'm staying disciplined. I'm not rushing into anything. All right, let's go back to the charts. So I wanted price. Let me make this a little bit bigger for you. Let me see. I don't think y'all can see my mouse. Can y'all see my mouse? Okay, so let's see. I'm trying to see if y'all can see my mouse. All right, so I'm gonna use the crosshairs instead, so because I don't think y'all can see my mouse on this camera or on the screen. So let me make the crosshairs a little bit brighter and a little bit thicker, so now y'all can see it. You feel me? Hey, can y'all see my mouse if I don't use the crosshairs? Please comment below right quick. Can y'all see my mouse going through the screen? Okay, see the crosshairs? Okay, so let me put the crosshairs on. Yeah. So here we go. So I wanted price to come back into the structure up here, right? So look at the structure. Like, what structure do we have? We got this structure right here. But look at the little structure that we had. This was minor. Look at the minor structure we had right here, though. Y'all see that? All right. So I was like, look, this is what I was like. I was like, yo, the only way I can get into this trade is if price comes back to structure. That was the only way that I could get into this trade. How many people have been disciplined to do that? All right, comment below. Are you disciplined enough to wait, or have you been just taking the sell because you see it dropping? Or have you been disciplined enough to wait for the best entry? Comment below. Victor, shout out to Victor Diaz. He said we get paid to wait, baby. Shout out to Victor Diaz. Hey, shout out to you, bro. He said we get paid to wait, baby. We get paid to wait. And look, patience is action. Believe it or not, patience is action. You see it going on, just wait patiently. You're gonna get that setup. How many times have y'all just waited? It was one time that you just waited. Whether you waited on accident, whether you dozed off, fell asleep, woke back up, saw the trade at the perfect entry, and you just knew it, you just felt it. And you took the entry and everything worked out because you waited. You thought about getting in earlier, but you didn't. You was hesitant, and you ended up waiting, and you saw the perfect entry. That's what I want us to do more often. All right. So that's what I did. So price came back like that. Boom. I took an entry right there, guys. Y'all see that? I took an entry on that green candle pushing back up. That was the retest that I wanted. That was the retest I wanted. Somebody said, do you mind showing a strategy? Take the blinders off your eyes, baby, because I'm showing you what I do right now. That was the retest I wanted. Well, why that's the retest for the sale. That's the retest for the sale that I wanted. Because what they said, well, why are you buying in a buyer's market? Why are you buying? Because look at the chart. Look at the chart. Y'all see this? Why are you buying? Well, here's the thing. A lot of people wouldn't buy this high because it's too high. It's like buying high. You don't never buy high. You buy, you buy low. You sell high, right? Well, you necessarily can't sell here either. They'll tell you that too, because it hasn't made any structure to show you where it's going to sell. So if I sell here, I'm basically taking a gamble. Y'all see what I'm saying? Jake, what's up, man? Shout out to South Africa. All right. So I basically can't sell here according to people because you don't know when is it going to stop pulling back. You don't know when it's going to stop. How far is it going to go down? Nobody knows that because it hasn't created a structure level yet. So it's best to stay out of it. Let me tell you what most people do. Let me tell you what most people, other people on YouTube, I ain't bashing nobody, but I'm just saying, like, other traders, right? Where else do you see them other than YouTube? So that's why I say people on YouTube. Look, they're going to say, let's wait for price to get into this structure level right here. That's what they tell you. Am I right or wrong? Comment below. Am I right or wrong? Is this where they tell you to get in at? This is what they would say. Let's just wait to see if price break at these levels here. Price breaks down here, and then we're going to wait for a retest around these levels, around the 156 levels. And then we're going to start taking our shorts from here, right? Don't that sound like about right? I already know it. I watched when I was coming up in the game, I watched all the YouTubers myself. I already know what they going to say. But let me show you the Jay Wayne way. Let me show you, look, your boy, I've been in the lab. I'm not the greatest trader alive. I just aspire to be one of them. This is the only thing that I'm really, really good at. Like, I tried a lot of things in life, and this was the only thing that came easy to me. So let me show you my way. Now let's just be honest though. What they're saying is not wrong. Let me just say that. And that's what I forgot to say. What they said right here, wait for price to come down, break structure, make a retest around that level, hold, and then we take sales from this level. That's not wrong. That's textbook. But I know how to get in, get us our money, and get up out of there. And nobody even know we was even in the markets. We fly low. We don't. I mean, you can still wait for this level to make money on, but look how long you gotta wait. Why do I gotta wait that long to make some money, some real money? We can make money along the way. You feel me? So let me delete this and let me show y'all something, and then we're gonna push on to what we about to look at and get up out of here. Look. So let me zoom back in. This was my entry right here. The reason why I took that entry is because I happened to look and see that I found this on the higher time frames. Y'all see what I'm doing? Look at that. Y'all see that? That's what I saw. On the higher time frames, not the 15-minute time frame. I saw it on the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour. On all time frames, it was this on all high time frames, the 1 hour to 4 hour. That's what I saw. Divergence. But let me show you what else I saw. Let me show you what else I saw. I saw divergence within divergence on the higher time frame. That's crazy. I never really saw divergence within divergence. Sitting, waiting for you to just take the money from them. Bro. All I'm saying is this. Stick with your boy, because we gonna be a real serious problem in this Forex market. Like, we're gonna be a problem. Because these brokers is like, bro, how is these many people winning like this? How is these people really winning like this? Stick with your boy. So I saw the divergence. Let me show you the divergence within the divergence. Look at this. Go down to the hour chart. Do you see this one right here? I'm gonna make this one red. You cannot miss this stuff. I'm gonna make it bigger too. You see that one? From this high right here, this little stupid crosshair in the way. From this high to this higher high. But look at the RSI. So now you got divergence. Now you got divergence on you got two divergences happening on the same time frames, on the higher time frames, not the 30-minute, not the 15, not none of that stuff. I'm talking about the time frames like that we wait for our trade setups on. We enter on the 15, but we monitor it and we find our trade setups on the hour, the 4 hour, and all of that stuff. So when I saw that, I went like this. Look at that. That's what I did. I went just like that. You feel me? I went just like that. Boom. So you got a break of the wedge pattern. You got a wedge that's happening. You got a break of it and a retest. And I was not going to enter the trade unless it retested. If it left me, then it left me. Like my ex, it left me like my ex back in Saginaw. She left me. She left me. But a little Jim came walking through the church saying, "What's your name?" You know, I had to pick up my wife Quinn though. You feel me? She left me so I can make room for something greater. Look, if the charts leave you, if price leave you, let it leave you. Don't chase it. Don't chase it. We bosses. We boss women and boss men. We bosses. It's only leaving for something greater, baby. It's only leaving for something greater. Look. It's only leaving for something greater. We trade out of abundance and not scarcity. Y'all heard me say that before. So when price just shoot out and leave, let it go, because we're gonna trade the same way tomorrow. We're gonna trade the same way every day. And the way that we trade, there's a setup every day. And if it ain't Gbpjpy today, it's gonna be Gbpusd then. And if it ain't Gbpusd, if it ain't pound dollar, it's gonna be pound Aussie. We trade out of abundance. The skill set that we have is abundantly pouring out. You feel me? So, you know, let it go. Don't chase it. That's all I'm trying to say is don't chase it. All right. So that's the one I took right there. So that's why I took that trade. Hey, JFP. Shout out to Switzerland in the building. Hey, y'all, 490 people watching. Please like this video as you come in. Please show your boy some love. Now let's move on right quick. Let's move on. Because when I took that entry, y'all, my lord, my lord. That's where I was in I basically got in at this level. 157,665 is where I got in at. All right? And you know how it goes. I went right down to the 15-minute chart. You see that? So this is what price looked like. Let me delete a lot of this stuff. Let me delete. It's like a lot of stuff on the chart right now. All right, so we got the divergence part. Price pulled back. And it pulled back right to this structure level. We can go ahead and delete that. And that's my entry. All right, let me hold on, let me see here. 1 second, y'all. Let me see where's the setting at. Okay, cool. So I think we good. We good. Okay, here we go, right here. Let me take off symbol. Show price. Session. Hold on, I'm trying to take something off my chart right quick. Symbol. How you take that GBP thing off the chart? Okay, there you go. My bad. All right, so you see the 1 hour entry? That was my entry. So, all right. It pulled back into the structure level, breaking the trend line, and I was in there. So now, there you go. And I'm holding it. Now look, now that's profit, right? That right there, look at this part right here. How much profit is that? That's 16 pips. From my entry right here to this wick down here is 16 pips. If y'all been rolling with me for a while, that's all I need. At a $200 lot size, 16 pips is all I need. But your boy decided I held it this time. It's a live trade. I only trade live, bro. I used to trade demo for like a year, and then that's when I had to take a step back because I kept winning and losing, and I had to take a step back, and I ended up doing demo for like, I want to say like almost a whole year, literally like 8-9 months, like almost really a whole year, and because I came across this method, the method that I used to trade. And I wanted to perfect it because I was tired of just winning, losing. And then I funded my account with like 1,000, and I was adding like $50 to it every time I got paid, and I just grew it over the course of time. And then at the end of the year, it was at 10,000, and then it was like at 30,000, then 50,000, and then once you reach $50,000, you basically, it's easy at that point. It's easy to make 100,000 from 50 if you just stick to what got you there. You see what I'm saying? All right. So yeah, so that's where we at. So now it pretty much dropped. Now look at this. If y'all know me, I'm taking profit, but I decided to hold it. All right. Stop loss right here. Right? Why not? Stop loss is right here. Okay, this was my stop loss above this wick. I'm trying to teach you. I'm trying to teach my new people something. Show them how I trade, so you can understand when I give you the next setup. When I give you the next setup that I'm about to show you, you will understand. But I can't give you the setup. You feel me? If you don't know how I think and how I trade, so be patient. I held that trade, $7 grand. $7 grand. And then I took profit. And now look at it. And then it reversed. All right. And that's where we at. So this thing reversed all the way up here. Hold on. So I wanted to hold it though. I wanted to hold it for like, I want to say like 70 something pips. But it just, something told me to take profit. So it stopped at 64 pips. I took profit around 7,000. And that was it. Now look at this level right here. This, I took profit because I knew that this was going to be a troubled area. Right here. This was going to be a troubled area. So I took profit somewhere right up in here. And I got out the market. You see what I'm saying, y'all? So now here we are on a live chart now. So now I caught y'all up to speed. Let me delete everything. Now here we are on a live chart now. All right, now that I caught y'all up to speed and how I trade. So now what I'm about to show y'all is about to make sense. So we still got the divergence happening. Devin Reed said, how do you know that the market is going to start retrieving? Because this is the problem area right here. You see this? This area right here. This is the problem area. Stop making this stuff so complicated. This stuff is simple. But your greed tell you to hold it. But the market is telling you to take profit. Which one you going to listen to? You going to see the money rolling in your account and try to hold it for longer just to lose it. Or you can listen to the market and say, hey, you wanted 100 pips. You wanted $10,000, but the market was only giving me 7,000. So I had to take what the market gave me. You feel me? Trade with that mindset. So the market is still at divergence. All right. The moving average Rexy that I'm using, shout out to Rexy. The moving average that I'm using, shout out to Janice Angel. The EMA that I'm using is a 50 simple moving average. It's a 50 simple moving average, and it's so powerful. I made a whole YouTube video on how to use the 50 simple moving average. All right, so we're about to wrap this video up, but let me show y'all what we're doing next. Same thing. We doing the same thing, but this time I want you to put the trend line right up in here. This is for divergence. I wanted to show y'all that it worked. Before I can tell you something, because I know it's naysayers all over YouTube, haters all over YouTube. Oh, that don't work, that don't work. So I wanted to show you that I actually did it and actually won on the trade. Now I'm about to show you what I did. So I want you to follow what I did before. The same thing is going to happen again. All right. So this is the divergence that's happening. And this is that structured level. It all is called confluence. All right. What I think about prop firms getting funded, do it. I mean, if they giving away free money, but that's not all your money. You know what I mean? And you can't you can't withdraw when you want to withdraw, and you can only withdraw a certain amount, and it's a win-win for them either way. You know, but if you good at what you do and you trading, and they're funding you to get some money, I mean, do it. You know what I mean? But that's not for everybody. That's not for everybody. Some people want to trade their own way and make money their own way. Like some people want to trade a certain way. Some people don't want to follow their rules. You got to trade at a certain risk percentage, and you got to do all of this and do all of that. Some people don't want to do that. You know what I mean? But you got to follow their little rules and everything. And so it's not for everybody. You know, sometimes like I want to withdraw $25,000. Give me my money. I worked hard for this. See, let me just, now that it got me on the doggone rant. You know, for an example, with these brokers, they let you make all this money. They let you do all of this over leveraging and taking out big lot sizes, but you can't take your money out. That's them overseas, them weird overseas brokers. Not all of them overseas are like that, but a lot of them are. And you do all this hard work and you making all of this money and they making the fees off of the money, right? And then when you go to withdraw $40,000, they give you a hard time. They want to call you. Oh no, if you keep your money in your bank account, in your trading account, we can give you, you know, better spreads and all of this weird. So I'm like, what? I'm like, yeah. Give me the good spread, but I still want my money. You know what I mean? Like, I'm making y'all money. Give me my money. You know what I mean? So in the beginning, your mindset is kind of small in the beginning because you just want to have some money. You just want to trade and live your dream or be on the journey to your dream. But when you actually start making money, your vision gets bigger. Now all of a sudden, you know what I'm saying? Like, hey man, I need, you know, I need to go on a trip, or I need to fix my car and it's 15,000, or I need a new engine, or I need to go buy a new car. And the money is sitting over there and you can't take it because they don't let you just take whatever you want to take. So it's not for everybody, and it's definitely not for me. But I digress. Let's move on. Looking through the comments. Somebody asked, what broker do I use? I already put it in the comments. Just check the comments. Scroll up and check the comments. All right, so here we go. That's the move, y'all. So now, what do you want to do from here? What do we want to do from here? This is the hour chart. We have to wait here. You got divergence happening. You got the wedge pattern. Now, look, check this out. When it finally gets here, when it finally break my money line, I call it the money line. All right, that's the money line. The trend line, I call it the money line. When it finally break it, it's going to be underneath the 50. It's that simple. It's going to be underneath the 50 moving average. So you can either take the breakout, or you just wait for the retest like I did earlier. All right, and then when you take the retest, this is the first level that it's going to give you a hard time on. This is the first level. Okay, so you might want to take profit at this level, or take half of your profit, half of your position, and move up the stop loss and hold the rest. We don't have to wait to price get down to 156 to make some money off of this thing. We understand a little bit more. A lot of people don't want to tell you that stuff, but ain't no thing. We all gonna eat. All right. So that's Gbpjpy. Let's go over to Gbpusd. All right. So Gbpusd, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So let's pull out the Elliott wave. Elliott wave, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. I do not trade boom and crash. So my man's Blue. Shout out to Blue. I do not trade boom and crash. It's a lot of people that act like me on Telegram, WhatsApp, Instagram, and they always posting this boom and crash, the NASDAQs. I don't trade any of that. I trade Forex and I invest in crypto. Don't fall for any scammers. All of my correct links are in the description below. All right. So now here we go. So now we got let's see the ABC correction. A 0 to A. Okay. Here is B. Where is C? So you know what? Look at this. That's wrong. That can't be. It has to. So then it was this move here. X to A to B, B to C. That's the correction. That was the correction right there. Did y'all catch that? That was the correction wave. And the reason why it was a really good correction wave, because look at it, it works every time. Pull out the Fibonacci from the high point to the low point. Pull out the fib to the high point to the low point, and now you got price at the golden zone. Oh my God. Did y'all catch that? Close out the fib. Do y'all see that? That's the correction wave right there. From the Elliott of the 5-leg pattern to now this correction wave, price stops at the golden zone. Let me put that on the charts for people. We balling. We know too much. We know too much. All right, price is at the golden zone and drops off. Then it breaks through the golden zone, retests the golden zone. So now, if we're looking for sales on Gbpusd, guess where we're looking for sales from? Boom, right here. This is where the sales is coming from, the golden zone, baby. Do y'all see that? Do y'all see that? Now come on, y'all. Give me some fire emojis. Give me a like or something. Like this video. I'm telling you, that's if we're looking for sales, that's where you want to get in at. Tay Bell, what's up, Tay? David said anyone can look at what has happened in the past, but can you actually trade live? Hey y'all, what is David talking about? Is David new on my channel? What is David talking about? Hey David, I love you. You gotta be new on my channel. David Johnson. David Johnson gotta be new because I do this. All right. David Johnson, I have go into my playlist and I have YouTube live videos during London session where I trade live, call out the play. It happens, we make the money and we shut it down. Just go to my playlist, and if you want to see how we roll, how I do things is not for everybody, David. It may not be for you. But if you're winning and you're doing your thing, then just keep winning and doing your thing. I salute you. All right? I salute you. I respect. We all gonna eat. But if whatever you doing is causing you to lose or break even and get nowhere, then come see your boy. Because what we do work, and I would love to help you. All right? So if we're looking for sales, it's coming from this golden zone. All right. Now, what about the buys? What about the buys, though? Right? Dave. Oh, Dave. Oh, David. David is one of those. David said, can you show all your trade history so we can know you're legit? David, don't be one of those trolls. I'm going to have to put you in timeout, baby. I'm going to have to put you in timeout. I don't want to do that. I'm going to have to put David in timeout. I'm going to have to, hey, hey, David, turn around. Go to timeout, baby. Go to timeout. All right, so yeah, so what about the buys? Let me give you the buys and we out of here. It's 10 o'clock. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Look at where the buys is coming from. Look at where the buys is coming from. Hold on, let me see, let me see. Buyers is coming from here. Look, I'm about to circle where buyers are coming from. Look at supply and demand zones. Buyers are coming from here. Buyers came from here. Can y'all see that? Buyers came from here. All right. Buyers came from here. Can y'all see that? Look at that. Buyers came from here. Oh, look at this. Look at this demand zone right here. Buyers came from here. This is where the money at. This is where the money at right here for buys. A Junior and Trent, shout out to Junior. He said, "Do you trade GBP odd?" Well, guess what? For a London session, to like tomorrow morning, I'm gonna go over Joe's house, and we're going to trade live together with Trend Trading Academy, with our team. We're gonna go on with the team because we owe them a live session. It's been a minute, so we're gonna be trading GBP odd. If you want in, then just go to my description below and click the link to get in. All right, if y'all want to get in to the session, then click the link below to get into my live London session tomorrow morning. Don't waste no time. All right. Okay. So look, that's where the buys is going to come from. So how we going to play it off? So I just showed you buys in this area. You see how the buys is coming in this area? Buys is coming in this area. See that? Buyers sitting in this area. So now, if you want to take any buys from here, you got to wait for this to build. You got to wait for this to get above this level right here. Where is that? You see this peak level right here? You got to wait for price to hold at this level. You got to wait for price to get above this level right here. You got to wait for a price to get above this level right here. Go on your charts and look. Price has to get above this level and hold, and then we're looking for buys. Until then, no buys. All we doing, wait for that money line to get broken. There. And here. Y'all got it? Y'all got me on that team? So let me know if y'all got it. Let me get some confirmation that y'all got it, because I'm about to hang up and I want to make sure that y'all got it, because I love the way this is moving. Because when this break down through here, when this break that 50, I'm ready to start selling at the trend line. Do y'all see how I trade? Like, do y'all understand? Like, I always put myself in the right position. I always put myself in the right position. I don't do it 100% of the time. I put myself in the right position like 75 to 80% of the time. And that's all you need to win. My favorite pair is Gbpusd, Gbp odd, and Gbpjpy. Those are my favorite 3 pairs, hands down. That's all I literally trade. for like a year straight. I might throw a little sprinkle of gold in. I might sprinkle a little gold in there, make a little profit, and then I won't see gold for like another 2 weeks. And I get back to what make me money. The money line is this trend line. It's just another word for trend line. I call it the money line. That's the money line, baby. All right, so cool. That's what we looking at. I told you the buys. I told you where the buyers live. So just wait for that. And here's the last thing. If it breaks the inner trend line, then most likely it will go to test the outer trend line. If it breaks the inner trend line, 9 times out of 10, 8 out of 10 times, it's going to test the outer trend line. Jesus said, when do you know to get out of the trade? Look left, all right? When price hits structure looking left, get out the trade. So look at this right here. Look at all of this right here. That's when you get out the trade. When you see price running into these levels here, you want to get out the trade, or you want to take some of your profits. That's TP right there for the sale. Now, I want y'all to hear me clear, because I'm about to get up out of here. Look, I got to get ready. I got to go over Joe's house. I got to go check in with the team, and we're going to trade live. So I just want to lay my head down for a little second because I look tired, and then wake up around 12 o'clock, head over to Joe's house, be there by like 1 o'clock or something, and get ready to trade live. Now look, what I want y'all to know is this. I marked up the chart more so for the sell, right? That does not mean that we cannot take the buys. I'm leaning, I like the sells more than the buys though, but that does not mean that the market won't go up. So I showed you the levels, I circled them where we're looking for price to hold above to take the buys. All right. So if it don't drop and if it don't break those levels up, there we just wait. We just waiting. But I don't know what the market is going to do, but I'm ready for it either way. I want y'all to be ready for the market either way. Don't have a bias. Anybody that's in my comments talking about sell, full margin, sell everything, it's going to drop. Take that with a grain of salt. Be ready both ways. Okay? And the key is mastering the timing of it. If you having problems with timing your entries, then come see your boy. Okay? Because everybody that come talk to me, you know, come trade with me, I work that out with them. Like they get that figured out, and it don't take long if you put the work in, if you listen to me. All right, I want to see y'all win. I want to see y'all win, and I know we can win. The reason why I know we can win, I know y'all can win, because I'm winning, and I'm helping people win. Trend Trading Academy, we're helping them win, bro. We're helping them win. All right. Of course, you got a few knuckleheads that won't listen. That's everybody class, everybody's academy, you know what I mean? That's in anything. But the people that put the work in and listen, they're winning. All right, so that's all I got to say about that. That's the trade setup, and I see y'all. And look, y'all already know. Don't forget. Oh my God, what was that? Look, don't forget to like this video, share this video. All right, and let's make this money, baby. I see y'all for London. Peace.
Team take profits on the move, the movement is real. 50 pips a day, watch the money drip. Pips pay my bills, pips pay my bills, pips pay my bills, pips pay my bills. 50 pips a day, watch the money drip. 50 pips a day, watch the money drip. Pips pay my bills, pips pay my bills, pips pay my bills, pips pay my bills. Yeah, 50 pips a day, that's what we catchin', Joe. We trade and get paid, that's how we livin', yo. Trading is the new hustle, take it to the hood and hustle. You ain't gotta sell drugs no more, trade for a year, buy you a home. Making money as a team, we don't trade alone. Held a trade for a week, 20K from the phone. You can earn while you learn, we gon' teach you the game. IML gon' compensate, cheering status is on its way. I know you see us out state to state, we really out here making waves. Pray before I start the day, 2 a.m. waking up to trade. London sessions got the biggest banks, making deals like Shark Tank. We bless the city in Jesus' name, I build the kingdom, I don't want the fame. I want it free, that's why I trade. I'm not a 9-to-5 slave, I broke out the cage. They try to give you just enough to keep your mind trained. So who you put your trust in, I'm reppin' Jesus' name. 50 pips a day, watch the money drip. 50 pips a day, watch the money drip. Pips pay my bills, pips pay my bills, pips pay my bills, pips pay my bills. 50 pips a day, watch the money drip. 50 pips a day, watch the money drip. Pips pay my bills, pips pay my bills, pips pay my bills, pips pay my bills. I wanted more life, now I got more life. I wanted more life, now I got more life. Living my best life, I'm living my best life. God has been good to me, so I give him my whole life. 50 pips a day, watch the money drip. 50 pips a day, watch the money drip. Pips pay my bills, pips pay my bills, pips pay my bills, pips pay my bills.
Hey, you see my boy Brandon? Lit. Nobody can touch that shot. Right off, easy money. His pair of bills, basketball could have paid the bills, but we chose the pip route, you feel me?